Systematic risk. Systematic risk refers to the risk inherent to the entire market or the market segment. Systematic risk is also said as an undiversifiable risk, which affects the overall market and not just a particular stock or an industry. This type of risk is both unpredictable and impossible to completely avoid. It cannot be mitigated through the diversification, only through hedging or by using the correct asset allocation strategy. Systematic risk is inherent to the market as a whole, which also reflects the impact of economic, geopolitical, and the financial factors. This type of risk is distinguished from the unsystematic risk, which impacts a specific industry or a particular security. Systematic risk is largely unpredictable and generally viewed as being difficult to avoid. Investors can somewhat mitigate the impact of the systematic risk by building a diversified portfolio. Right? Now, systematic risk underlines other investment risks such as industry risk. For example, if an investor has to place too much emphasis on cybersecurity stocks, for example, it is possible to diversify by investing in a range of stocks in other sectors such as healthcare and infrastructure. Systematic risk incorporates interest rate changes, inflation, recessions, and wars, among other major changes. Shifts in these domains can affect the entire market and cannot be mitigated by changing positions within a portfolio of public equities. To help manage systematic risk, investors should ensure that portfolios include a variety of asset classes such as fixed income, cash and real estate, each of which react differently in the event of a major systematic change. An increase in the interest rate, for example, will make some new issues bond more valuable, while causing some companies' stock to decrease in price as the investors perceive executive teams to be cutting back on spending. In the event of an interest rate rise, ensuring that the portfolio incorporates ample income generating securities will mitigate the loss of values in some equities. Systematic risk is also different from unsystematic risk. While the systematic risk can be thought of the probability of a loss that is associated with the entire market or a segment, unsystematic risk refers to the probability of a loss within a specific industry or the security. Let's end this topic. Thank you.